Today I'm going to show you how to make glitter paper the Krazy Kreations way. This is the only glitter paper smooth enough to color with alcohol markers. First, take a sheet of 6x6 score tape and peel away one side of the release paper and position it on a 6x6 white cardstock. Then peel away the remaining release paper to expose the adhesive. Next, cover the adhesive with Krazy Kreations microfine glitter. This is the color Warm Highlights. It has a gold sparkle to it. Isn't this mini wooden spoon a cute way to scoop the glitter? Tap and brush away the excess glitter, and then you can use a brayer tool and your hand to burnish the glitter paper. That's all there is to it. Handmade microfine glitter paper, and it feels like velvet. After applying an outline sticker, coloring with markers, and cutting around the design, you can make a beautiful card like this. Visit our shop to see all of our microfine glitters and pre-made glitter papers. Check back for part 2 to learn how to make patterned glitter paper.